inappropriate and offensive to me and my culture. Oh my god. Am I recording?
You just started.
Beep. Every scan.
Ah! Alright. Paxton, back shots of shame. Come on, back shots of shame.
Yeah, I don't have a battery for it.
Is it like?
What? Ready? Where the hell are they?
You want to?
What? Sure. What? What? Go middle? Where are you? Are you? What team are you on? I hit him? Bang bang, bang bang. He's already out, man. Damn it, man. Where? Bang bang.
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot, that's right. Yeah. Good job.
Oh, we just saw all.
He's got a grenade!
Dude, we just shot their entire team. Here, let's go back.
Hey, you want to sweep from viewing area now? You want to sweep from viewing area now? You want to go viewing area sweep?
No, it's so fun.
Dude, I'll go viewing area, please!
It's fun.
Please, Pookie?
Next time.
Oh my god, you're so mean. This is racist. Oh my god. Paxton, come on.
Fine.
Let's go. Woohoo!
There's one.
Kyle's right there. Hey, watch out! Everyone, there's two, one right here, one barrel by.
Gotcha.
Blueberries, holding respawn. Blueberries, holding respawn.
Go, 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 go! What? Sit here, sit here. Hey, one blue bear's right there. Hello. What? No, not rock, paper, scissors, you, bro. We're way too far away. shoot. Dead man, dead man, dead man. Oh, right in the head, too. Oh. Oh my God. Do not go out there, Paxton. Dude, just don't.
Dude, they're gonna call a respawn in like 2 seconds. Dude, that was so fun. That was fun.
Cancel the sweep.
Check, when they figure they're gonna call respawn. Their whole team is at Saloon right now.
Y'all go first. Here.
Alright, go on.
Corbin's right out there. Bro, don't take my mag over. I gave you a mag.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Oh, my bad. I thought I did.
Not bad.
I literally can't move.
Does that even fit? Does that fit?
They're gonna respawn in a minute.
Yeah. But where is Avi going? I'm gonna go swim, bro.
Don't be a respawn.
Bro, can you respawn blue base? No. Can you respawn them, please, bro?
It's all runs out this side.
Corbin's on that side.
I know everybody got this one. Let's all go at once. Actually, Wood, you go, and then I'll go back.
All right, go, go, go. Yeah, hey, there's one right here. What? He's right by like where you get the rental guns and like Chrono and stuff. By that little door. And like that little tower. Oh, nice, nice, nice.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
I wanted to play this so bad.